For any reason, if you want to replace hard disk on your HP Slickbook, you are at the right place. To help take your decision to replace or not, you can check the status of the drive. Prior to the operating system boot, press Escape key and then F2 and then select hard disk. If you see the test result has failed, like in my case, it is time to replace. In order to keep this video short enough, please watch the video on the screen for instructions on how to open the laptop. Once you open the laptop, you will find the detached components as in the video. This is the hard drive you will replace. Remove the 4 screws attaching the hard disk to the case. Now remove the hard disk. Attach a new hard disk or SSD to the case. SSD may be thinner than your previous hard disk, but that's fine. Secure the case and the disk with 4 screws. Attach the SATA cable to the disk. Position the case in the slot and secure it with 2 screws. Now secure the USB and microphone circuit board with 1 screw. Attach the USB and microphone circuit board cable to the motherboard by lifting the black flap and fully inserting the wiring into the slot. Close the flap to secure the cable. Place the handrest over the motherboard case and attach mouse and power button wiring to the motherboard. Press the handrest panel firmly against the motherboard case at multiple places over the edge so the handrest firmly attaches to the motherboard case. You can hear clicking sounds. Secure the handrest with 9 screws. Attach the keyboard cable to the motherboard. Press the edges of the keyboard against the handrest panel and make sure the keyboard firmly seats on the handrest. Secure the laptop with 10 screws. Replace the battery and lock its position.
Yeah, one.